Hello. Today we'll be adding Bluetooth to a BMW E46 with the navigation system. We are going to be using this BlueMusic Bluetooth adapter kit. Super easy to install, takes maybe 15 minutes, 10 minutes. So there are different kinds of these Bluetooth adapters, so you have to make sure you get the correct one. This one has the 16:9 navigation screen with the Mark IV navigation system and BM54 radio. All you basically have to know is your navigation screen. That's basically the most important part apparently. So yeah, we have the 16:9 screen. There are different models for if you have the 4:3 monitor here. You can even add Bluetooth to those 1-DIN normal radios. But since we have the 16:9 version, we're gonna be using this specific kit. So Mark IV radio, Mark IV navigation, 16:9 screen, and we have a 6 CD changer, which this is going to be emulating as. When you connect this, your system still reads that you have 6 CDs and the 6 CD changer, but you obviously won't be having. So you have a liner here, at least on the E46 you have a gray liner here. And behind that you have all these boxes. This is what we're going to be messing with. This is the 6 CD changer, which you will, if you have it, it will be sitting right here behind the small door, and you will be seeing it the first thing. So that's all we need to actually remove. All the other ones, the BM54 radio can stay in, and the Mark IV navigation system can also stay in. You don't have to take any of those out. I'll be removing all of these, as I'm going to be installing the Alpine 178 BT, a beautiful head unit. This is just a temporary system. But yeah, all you have to do is take these two plugs out. Pretty tight, but can be removed. There we go. Just these two plugs. You can sell this to someone on Craigslist for like $15 or something. And we're gonna be unboxing this as well. Here's everything we need. We don't need the instructions. It's so fucking easy. So there are multiple ones of these. Obviously you can also buy this with or without this microphone. I bought this with the microphone and it was 45 euros, I think. If you don't get the microphone, it's like 37 euros. Doesn't really matter which one you get. This, okay, small like information here. This is technically not the correct adapter for this. When I browsed the BlueMusic website, it told me to get one that has the... Do I have anything to show you? No. It basically told me to get an adapter, which is basically this same piece of thing, but it goes in between this wire bundle here into the back of your radio. Now, I read some comments on the internet that said that that one works intermittently. Apparently the adapter that takes this signal here and has this in between and it goes back to the radio, that probably has some issues sometimes. So I decided to YOLO and buy this one instead. At least one YouTube comment said that this should just work. So that's the 6 CD changer wiring. We're just gonna connect these. Just a second, I'll be putting you down. Not in the literal sense, I'm not gonna put you down like a dog. There's only one way, but I'm still not able to put it in. There we go. So, 2 wires. You should get some blue lights, I think. Yes, we do. Okay, let's test it out. Hell yeah, M-Power. We have some local bullshit we are not interested in listening to. There we go. Yes, we have 6 CDs. Obviously you don't have any CDs, but it doesn't matter. This is just what you're gonna see. And you probably want to look at the navigation. But anyway, let's go back to here. And okay, mine already connected because I tried this once already. So it will show up as BlueMusic Plus. At least for me, this system showed up as BlueMusic Plus. and you connect it once, and that's all you have to do. It's that simple. And now we have... yes, we probably also have something different. Sounds like shit. Oh my god, Devin Wild. Yes, sir. His new song. Fucking awesome. Yeah, apparently this number changes. I don't personally give a fuck. But yeah. Also, your steering wheel controls work. Volume down. Volume up. As you could have seen, I can go back and forwards and change the songs. So, yeah, super easy. And I think if we can find, yeah, something like this. The quality seems to be very good. So if you want to keep the like sleeper look or the OEM look of your E46, you can absolutely do that and get a Bluetooth, and super easily as well, and quite cheaply, I might add. So there you go. That's how easy it is to install BlueMusic, and it just seems to work. In before I'm getting copyright striked. But yeah, super easy, seems to work. Thumbs up, absolutely 5 out of 5. Easy upgrade for your E46.